Imagine if we could cure diseases, not by just treating symptoms, but by rewriting the very DNA that causes them. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening right now thanks to CRISPR, one of the most significant breakthroughs in biology. CRISPR is revolutionizing our understanding of genetics, health, and the future of life on Earth. So, what is CRISPR? It stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It sounds complex, but the concept is quite simple and elegant. It all began with a discovery in bacteria, where scientists found a unique repeating pattern in their DNA. This pattern is part of an ancient immune system. When a virus attacks, bacteria can snip a piece of the virus's DNA and store it, like a genetic mugshot, allowing them to recognize and destroy the virus if it returns. Then came the breakthrough. Scientists figured out how to harness this bacterial defense system and turn it into a powerful tool for gene editing. At the heart of CRISPR is an enzyme called Cas9, which acts like molecular scissors. A short piece of RNA, known as guide RNA, directs Cas9 to a specific location in the DNA, much like a GPS. Once it finds the target, Cas9 makes a precise cut in the DNA. As the cell repairs that cut, we can introduce new genetic code, remove harmful mutations, or deactivate certain genes. It's like using find and replace in a Word document, but instead, we're editing the instructions that govern living organisms. Why is this important? Many diseases, from cystic fibrosis to sickle cell anemia, are caused by errors in our DNA. For the first time in history, we can correct these errors directly. CRISPR is already being tested in clinical trials, with patients suffering from inherited blood disorders receiving treatments that edit their bone marrow cells. There's promising progress in treating blindness, certain cancers, and even HIV. Imagine personalized cancer therapies where your immune cells are genetically enhanced to target tumors more effectively. But CRISPR's impact isn't limited to medicine. It's transforming agriculture too. Scientists are editing the genes of crops to make them more resistant to drought, disease, and pests, all without introducing foreign DNA. This means faster, more sustainable food production. Farmers can grow crops with enhanced nutrients or fewer allergens, and livestock can be bred to be healthier and more resilient. There's even research into using CRISPR to edit the genes of mosquitoes to stop the spread of malaria. It's controversial, but it could save countless lives. However, with great power comes great responsibility. CRISPR opens up possibilities we've never had before, raising serious ethical questions. Should we edit human embryos to prevent disease? If so, where do we draw the line? What if gene editing is used to enhance intelligence or physical traits? This isn't just science fiction, it's a real concern. There's a crucial difference between treating disease and engineering perfect humans. That's why ethics must guide every step of this research. Scientists, governments, and communities worldwide are collaborating to create rules and guidelines to ensure CRISPR is used responsibly. The technology is evolving rapidly. The original CRISPR-Cas9 system was just the beginning. Now we have even more precise tools, like base editors and prime editors, which can change individual DNA letters without making cuts. These advancements allow researchers to work with greater accuracy and fewer side effects. Looking ahead, we might witness cures for genetic diseases that were once untreatable, safer cancer therapies, and even new organs grown from edited cells. There's even the possibility of reversing aging or bringing extinct species back to life. More than anything, CRISPR gives us a new relationship with life itself, turning DNA, the blueprint of biology, into something we can edit, redesign, and heal. This means your generation has a significant role to play. If you're passionate about biology, medicine, ethics, or the future of humanity, gene editing is a field that will shape the next century. Now is the time to learn about it, ask questions, and engage in the conversation. This isn't just the future of science, it's the future of life itself.